So what was done is that you have seen in the previous videos details about LangChain OpenAI, which is a dedicated integration package designed to connect LangChain directly with OpenAI APIs. Let's now delve into one of the main functions within this integration library, which is ChatOpenAI.
So if you run the following code, just to show an overview about interacting with OpenAI chat-based models. So from the OpenAI package, we import OpenAI. Then we load the environment variables, which is the API key that is required to connect to OpenAI using the following function in .environment. Setting up the connection using ChatGPT 4. And then running or invoking the LLM with the following question about how good is it to learn to adapt. Then once that is executed, basically when we try to write the response, there will be a response from the AI model.
What you have just seen is a very simple example for using ChatOpenAI. There are other types of attributes and parameters that can be useful within your AI-powered application and can be set up within this class. For example, the temperature attribute or the maximum number of tokens and so on.